Now, we will get back to the latest with the coronavirus, but first an update on the Hard Rock Hotel. It has been nearly 6 months since that collapse, but this afternoon OSHA has handed down major fines to nearly a dozen companies involved in that construction. And one of the most alarming findings could be a major factor in why the building collapsed. Devin Bartolotta joining us live now at the collapse site and explains those findings. Devin.
Well, Sharice, these federal documents were obtained by our partners at the Times-Picayune New Orleans Advocate. The fines total more than $315,000, but we are looking closely at 2 violations in particular that were handed down to Heaslip Engineering.
OSHA investigators found the engineering and design of the upper floors of the Hard Rock were unsafe. According to citation documents, floor beams on the 16th level were not strong enough for the weight they were supporting, and spans or vertical columns on the 17th and 18th floors were spaced too far apart and bearing too much weight. Eyewitness News investigators first exposed this in November, along with evidence that the engineers had altered plans already approved by the city. These are big findings by federal investigators, but ones that Heaslip Engineering is denying. In a statement, they wrote, quote, "Our firm has reviewed the citations from the Occupational Safety and Health Administration and adamantly disputes the findings. We believe OSHA's conclusions are unwarranted, not supported by the facts, and beyond the jurisdiction of OSHA's statutory authority." Workers who barely survived the collapse told Eyewitness News that for weeks leading up to the collapse, they had voiced concerns about safety inside the building. And in addition to the structural findings, OSHA cited 10 other companies for worker safety violations, including lack of protective equipment, training, and health hazard information.
Now, all of the companies who received these citations do have the opportunity to contest them. The city says they have no comment at this time, and they are reviewing the documents. In New Orleans, Devin Bartolotta, Eyewitness News.